this Shavi. Welcome to my side jam. Boys and girls, do you love animals? Yes, I love animals. Today our story is the baby animals. Come and see the baby bird. Boys and girls, what is the bird doing? Yes, it's singing la la la. Come and see the baby chick. Boys and girls, what color is the baby chick? Yes, it's yellow. Come and see the baby duckling. Boys and girls, are the duckling big or small? Big or small? Yes, the ducklings are very small. Come and see the baby puppy. Boys and girls, look at the puppy. I can see one, two eyes, one, two ears, one mouth, and one black nose. Come and see the baby kitchen. Boys and girls, what is the kitchen doing? Yes, it playing. The kitchen play with a red ball. Come and see the baby lamb. Boys and girls, how many legs does the lamb have? Yes, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 legs. I can see 4 white legs. Come and see the baby piglet. Boys and girls, can you see something yellow? Yes. What is it? It's a yellow flower. I can see many yellow flowers. Come and see the baby animal. Bird, chick, duckling, puppy, chicken, lamb, piglet. Boys and girls, do you love animals? Yes, I love animals. And I like all of you. I'm this Shavi. Thank you for the serving me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.